Welcome friends. In this section, we are going to see about the taxonomy and different level of taxonomy. So let's start with the taxonomy. Let's first know about the what is taxonomy is. So we all know there are lots of organisms, plants, animal and microorganisms are present on this earth, and we know them by their name. But from where their name has came from? So this has came from the study of taxonomy. Taxonomy is the arrangement of describing, identifying or classifying any particular organism and naming. So this is all included in the study of taxonomy. And Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy, who has discovered the. Let's begin with firstly with these three type of taxonomy. That is, first one is alpha, then beta, then gamma. Alpha means it is the level of detecting or identifying, describing and then classifying the new species which is arrived in this world. So if we find any new species, so from detecting to classifying, this all process are we can call it as a alpha taxonomy. So next is a beta taxonomy. It is arrangement of any particular species into a hierarchical categories or rank. But how we can classify or arrange it into a specific categories? It is based on the characters which are easily observable or their structural features and the features or the characters they are sharing. So what is their how they have evolved? So all these are concerned with this beta taxonomy. And third one is a gamma taxonomy. It is generally concerned or deals with the intra-specific variation. So the species, from species to species, how they are variant from one another. So in short, it is an analysis of evolutionary relationship from species to species, is called as a gamma taxonomy. So next term we are going to see is micro taxonomy and macro taxonomy. Micro taxonomy generally deals with the problems which is related or any scientific work which is dealing with the species only, species level only. Means if we see that scientific work like research or practical theoretical problems which are dealing with the species, this study are included in the micro taxonomy. But if we see macro taxonomy, there is only study of larger biological units, like from subgenus to above. From subgenus to above means above than the species. Like this macro taxonomies. In the micro taxonomy, there are three levels: phonetic, we can call this a numerical taxonomy; cladeistic, we can call this a phylogenetic, systematic, and evolutionary taxonomy, or we can see it a evolutionary system. Phonetic taxonomy, or we can call it as a numerical taxonomy, it generally deals with the similar feature or between the individual. More the features same, so there are chances that they will be grouped into one category. So their features are the basic, their similar features are the basis of this taxonomy. Second one is the cladistics. This is all about the common ancestry relationship. So organisms are categorized in a similar group or same group based on their recent common ancestor. Third one is a evolutionary taxonomy, which is we can say it Darwinian classification, because in this taxonomy. Classification is based on the combination of phylogenetic relationship, means whatever their shared descendant is, means ancestor, and their degree of evolutionary change. This is all are dealing there. This deals in this is all means phylogenetic relationship and evolutionary changes between the organism are included during the study of the evolutionary taxonomy. So this is all about the macro taxonomy. Next levels is classical taxonomy and experimental, or we can say the neo taxonomy. Classicals it is old one taxonomy. It is based on the external features, external character like anatomy, genitalia means their reproductive organs, and embryology and karyotypes. This all are covered or included during the study of this classical taxonomy. Opposite of that, the experimental or neo taxonomy, which is based on experiments or other ecological method to investigate the evolutionary process to improve the classification of that organism. Means it is not based on any external characters, it is actually based on experiment or practicals to give rise or to classify the particular organism. And it has two types like biochemical taxonomy and cyto. These two are the types of experimental taxonomy: biochemical taxonomy and cytotaxonomy. Biochemical, it's as its name suggests, so of course there is a chemical involved, like biomolecules are involved like hormone, proteins, nucleic acid, enzyme. The composition, their composition is main factors of during this classification of organism. And next one is a cytotaxonomy. It generally deals with the detailed study of chromosome, like their number, structure, similarity between the number of chromosome or structure of chromosome. It is it is main factor during during this cytotax or during the classification of the particular organism. So this is all about the taxonomy and their level of taxonomy. Thank you for watching the video.